Hello everyone, welcome to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So we have 2 over 3 and its exponent is 2 over 3. So we write this into the simplified form. So here first we need to write this term because this is right in exponential form, and now we convert this exponential form into the radical form by using this nice identity. We know that if you have a to the power of m over n, then we write this exponential form into the radical form in this way: a to the power of m into nth root. Okay, so it means that we apply this 2 on this term and we take the cubed root here, so that we write it as 2 over 3 squared and its cube root. Okay. So after this step here, we apply another exponential law. We know that if you have a over b and its whole power m, it is equals to a power m over b power m. Okay, now we apply this nice exponential law inside this cubic term, so that we write it as cube root of 2 squared divided by 3 squared. And after that, you see here 2 squared is equals to 4 and 3 squared is equals to 9 and its cube root. And after that, here we need to apply another exponential law. You know that if we have a to the exponent of nth root, then we multiply this exponent, we multiply this radical term as in this form: uh, a to the power of n minus 1 into nth root and divided by a to the power of n minus 1 into nth root. Okay, it means that if you have nth root of a number, then you take the power of that number is n minus 1 and you take the nth root and you multiply and divide by each other. So you can do this step here. So now you see that we have the here first we break this cube root and we write separately this cube root on both of these terms, and we write it as cube root of 3 and it is divided by cube root of 9. And now we apply here this nice exponential law and we multiply and divide this term by 9 to the power of 3 minus 1 and cube root divided by cube root of 9 to the power of 3 minus 1. Okay, so in the next step, here we need to multiply the numerator term with the numerator term, so that you will just obtain cube root of 4 multiplied by 9 to the power of 3 minus 1 becomes 9 square and its cube root, and it is divided by cube root of 9 multiplied by 9 squared and cube root. Okay, so after that, here we need more simplifications, and you see here all of the terms in the numerator as well as the denominator have a same cube root. So here we know that if you have a and its nth root multiplied by nth root of b, then we write this type of expression as in this form: nth root of a multiplied by b. So here we use this nice radical law. So according to this radical law, here we need to combine these two radical terms. We write it as a cube root of 4 multiplied by cube root of 9 squared, and here we combine the cube root of these two terms, because you see here the bases on both of these terms are same. So that we combine these two terms, we combine the cube root of these two terms, and it will be written as 9 is multiplied by 9 squared. And after that, here we use another exponential law, and you know that if you have a to the power of m into a to the power of n, it will be written as a to the power of m plus n. So now we apply this nice exponential law here, so that here you combine the exponent of both of these terms, and it will be written as a cube root of 4 multiplied by 9 squared, and cube root, it is divided by, so bases are same, we add its exponents, and it will be written as a cube root of 9, cube root of 9 cube. Okay, this 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So here you see that this 3 and cube root are cancelled by each other, and we obtain cube root of 4 multiplied by cube root of 9 squared. It is divided by 9 only, because these are cancelled by each other. And after that, you see here we have this is cube root of 4 multiplied by 9 square, and we write this 9 square as 81, and its cube root, it is divided by 9. So after this step, we just focus on this term, and we write it as a cube root of 4 is multiplied by, this is 81, and we write this 81 as 27 times of 3, and it is divided by 9. We know that 27 by 3, 27 times of 3 becomes 81. Okay, so here we apply another radical law. So according to this radical law, we just apply this radical on separately on both of these terms, and it will be written as a cube root of 4 multiplied by cube root of 27, and it is multiplied by cube root of 3 and divided by 9. So further, in the next step, here we focus on this term, and we write it as cube root of 4 multiplied by, we write this 27 as 3 cubed, and its cube root multiplied by cube root of 3, and it is divided by 9. And now you see here this 3 and cube root are gone, and you obtain cube root of 4 multiplied by cube root of 3 and multiplied by this 3. We here you can get just 3 only, and it is divided by 9. And now you see here this 3 times of 3 becomes 9, and here we again combine the cube root on both of these terms, and it will be written as a cube root of 4 times of 3, and it is divided by 3. Here you get 3 after cancellation these terms, and here we see that 4 times of 3 becomes cube root of 12, and it is divided by 3. So this is our final simplified answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.